Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Okay, so hari ini kita buat latihan mengenai arithmetic sequence. Okay, so dalam arithmetic sequence kita ada dua formula. So which is Tn, sebutan, formula untuk mencari sebutan pertama, kedua, tiga, empat, lima, enam dan seterusnya. So ni Tn lah. Dan yang kedua kita ada hasil tambah n sebutan pertama, Sn. Okay. So soalan yang pertama, first question. So given the question 1, 150, 275, 400 and 525. So find the 10th term, 15th term and the sum of terms from the 5th to the 12th inclusive. Okay. Okay, so first kita cari sebutan ke 10, 10 term. Okay, so to find the 10 term, so we need A. So A is equal to 150 and then we need to find D. So D is equal to 275 minus 150. So which is equal to 125. Okay, so lagi satu, ni soalan ni dia tak bagi tahu arithmetic ataupun geometrik kan. So better try another one. Kita nak confirmkan dia geometrik ataupun arithmetic. So 400 minus by 275. Okay, so dapat tak sama dengan 125? Okay, so kalau sama dia arithmetic lah. So kalau tak sama kita kena cari common ratio. Okay, so same 125. Okay, so next kita cari 10 term T10. So T10 is equal to A 150 plus by n minus 1. So n is 10, 10 minus 1 is 9 times by D 125. Okay, so berapa? Okay, so the answer is 1275 and B 15 term. So sebutan ke 15. So same 150 plus by 15 minus by 1 which is 14 times by 125. Okay, so the answer is 1900. Okay, so next C, sum of terms from the 5th to the 12th inclusive. Okay, so hasil tambah daripada sebutan ke-5 sampai ke sebutan ke-12. Okay. So dia nak T5 tambah T2, T6 tambah T7 tambah T8 tambah sampailah T12. So macam mana nak buat? Sebab kita ada Sn. Sn is the sum of the first term. So hasil tambah sebutan pertama. Okay. So meaning that Sn is equal to from T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 plus until Tn. Tapi dia nak hasil tambah start daripada T ke-5. So macam mana kita nak buat? Okay, so kat sini tak muat. So saya buat kat atas ni lah. Okay, so sekarang hujung sekali adalah T12, T12. So we use S12. So cari S12. So S12 is from T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 plus T5 until T12. Okay. So soalan nak hasil tambah daripada sebutan ke-5 sampai sebutan ke-12. So meaning kita kena buang yang ni. So this one kena buang S. From T1 plus until T4 is S4. So meaning that for C, so we need to do S12 minus by S4. Okay. So kita kena cari S12 tolak S4. Hilang dah. Okay. So tadi S, C, S12 minus by S4. Okay, so S12 is N divided by 2. So 12 divided by 2, 2A. So A is 150 plus by N minus 1. So N minus 1, N is 12. 12 minus 1 is 11. And D is 125. And then minus by S for 4 divided by 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 times by 2A. So 2 times by 150. And then plus by N minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3 times by 125. Okay, so calculate. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 2 times 150 is 300. And 11 times 125 is 1375. Minus by 4 divided by 2 is 2. 300. Plus 125 times by 3. 375. Okay, so next calculate. So 300 plus by 1375 times by 6. So which is 10,050 minus by 300 plus by 375 times by 2, which is 1350. Okay, so the answer is 8,700. Okay, so next question. Soalan seterusnya. Okay, so given the second term and the sixth terms of an arithmetic sequence are 1 and 27. Okay, so now already here the question told us about the arithmetic sequence. So second term, which is T2. So T2 is 1 and T6 is equal to 27. Okay, so find the first term and the common difference. Okay, so macam mana nak cari? Okay, so for T2, so we know the formula is A plus N minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, times by D, we don't know, so equal to 1. And then for T6, so we have A plus N is 6 minus 1 times by D is equal to 27. Okay, so you will have from the first one A plus D equal to 1 and A plus 5D is equal to 27. Okay. So this one we need to do simultaneous equation. Okay. So boleh guna teknik penggantian ataupun teknik penghapusan. Okay, so yang ni kita tengok mudah lah untuk penghapusan sebab ni kat sini dah A ni A tolak A kosong lah. Okay. Okay, so 2 minus by 1. So A plus 5D equal to 27 minus by A plus D equal to 1. Okay, so minus A minus by A 0. 5D minus by positive 5D minus by D is positive 4D, and 27 minus by 1 is 26. Okay, so you will have D equal to 26 divided by 4. Okay, so 26 divided by 4, which is equal to berapa ni? 13 over 2. Okay, so 13 over 2 or equal to 6.5. Okay. So next be the 10th term. Okay. Oh no, common difference kita dah ada. So next kita cari first term. Okay, so first term. Okay, so we have A plus D is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 minus by D. So minus by 6.5. So we have here 1 minus 6.5, which is negative 5.5. Okay. So next B. So B dia nak 10 term, sebutan ke 10. So T10 is equal to A plus N is 10, which is 10 minus 1 times by D. So A is negative 5.5 plus 10 minus 1 is 9. D is 6.5. Okay, so the answer is negative 5.5 plus by 9 times by 6.5. Okay, so the answer is 53. Okay, so next see the sum of the first 16 term. Okay, so first 16 term meaning that as 16. So which is equal to n divided by 2. So 16 divided by 2. 2a. So 2 times negative 5.5. And then plus n minus 1. So n 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. Times by d, which is 6.5. Okay. So equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8. 2 times negative 5.5 is negative 11. Plus by 15 times 6.5 equal to 97.5. Okay. So next find the answer. Okay. The answer is 692. Okay, so next soalan yang ketiga. Okay, so the sum of the first 20 term. Okay, so diberi S20. So S20 in an arithmetic progression is 840. Okay, and the common difference is 4. So D is equal to 4. So find the first term. Okay, so nak cari term yang pertama. Okay, so masukkan formula S20. So n divided by 2, which is 20 over 2. Okay, so 2a, a kita tak tahu, plus n minus 1, n is 20 minus 1 is 19 times by d. So d is 4. So equal to 840. Okay, so 20 divided by 2 is 10. 2a plus 19 times by 4, which is equal to 76. To 840. Okay. Okay, so nak kembangkan ke nak? So nak kembangkan pun boleh, nak bawa sebelah pun boleh. Okay, so saya lagi suka bagi sebelah lah. So we have 2a plus 76 is equal to 840 divided by 10 is 84. Okay, so next 2a is equal to, okay, so positive 76 brings to the left become minus 76. So 84 minus 76 is equal to 8. So a is equal to 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay. So B, sum of the first 10 term. Okay, so hasil tambah 10 sebutan pertama. So S 10. So which is equal to N divided by 2. So N is 10 divided by 2 times by 2A. So 2 times by 4 plus by N minus 1. N is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And then D is 4. Okay, so the answer is 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 times 4 8 plus 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, so we have 5. 8 plus 36 is 44. Times by 5 to 220. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, jawapan dia. Okay, so next soalan seterusnya. Yang ujung tu salah. Okay, so this one question number 5. Okay, lupa tukar. Okay, question number 4. The sixth term of an arithmetic progression is 23. Okay, so sebutan ke-6. Tulis T6 is equal to 23. And the sum of the first sixth term is 78. Okay, so S6. Okay, so find the common difference and the first term. So ni pun macam soalan sebelum ni lah. Kita kena buat persamaan serentak. Okay, so T6 is equal to 23. So we have A plus N minus 1, which is 6 minus 1 is 5, times by D is equal to 23. Equation number 1. Okay, S6. So N divided by 2, so 6 over 2 times by 2A plus N minus 1, 6 minus 1 is 5, times by D is equal to 78. Lepas tu permudahkan 6 bahagi 2, 3. So 3 2A plus 5D equal to 78. Okay, so yang ni pindah sebelah. So we have here 2A plus 5D is equal to 78 divided by 3 is 26. Okay, so this one equation number 2. Okay, okay, so ni pun sama, saya pakai teknik penghapusan lah. Sini ada 5D and here also 5D. Okay, so equation number 2 minus by equation number 1. So tadi pun saya guna persamaan 2 tolak 1. So boleh tak saya kalau nak pakai 1 tolak 2? Boleh, persamaan 1 tolak 2 pun boleh. Okay, okay, ni saya pakai 2 tolak 1 sebab apa? Saya malas nak pakai nak kira negatif-negatif ni. Sebab kalau 2 tolak 1, persamaan 2 tolak persamaan 1, 2A tolak A, dapat A positif kan. Dan 26 tolak 23 kita dapat positif. Tapi kalau 1 tolak 2, A tolak 2A nanti negatif A. Saya malas nak pakai negatif-negatif ni. Okay, so persamaan 2, 2A tambah 5D sama dengan 26. Tolakkan dengan A plus 5D equal to 23. Okay, so minus. So 2A minus by A is A. So this one 0. And then 26 minus by 23 is 3. So terus dapat jawapan A sama dengan 3. Okay, so next common difference. Okay, so A plus 5D is equal to 23. Okay, so common difference ni korang boleh lah ambil daripada persamaan 1 ataupun 2, tak kisah mana-mana. And then substitute value of A, so which is 3 plus 5D is equal to 23. Okay, so 5D is equal to 23 minus by 3 is 20. So D is equal to 20 divided by 5, which is equal to 4. Okay, so dah dapat A dan D. And then B, find the 10th term. Okay, so sebutan ke 10. Okay, so 10th term is equal to A. So A is 3 plus N minus 1. So N is 10 minus 1 is 9 times by D, which is 4. Okay, so the answer is 3 plus 36, which is equal to 39. Okay, so number 4 and number 5, last one. Okay, lepas tu habis dah. Okay, so in an arithmetic sequence, the sum of the first 12 term is 156 and the fourth term is 8. Okay, so tulis S12. S12 sama dengan 156 dan fourth term sebutan keempat sama dengan 8. Okay, so find the first term and the common difference. Okay, so S12, substitute the formula, so which is equal to n divided by 2, so 12 divided by 2 times by 2a plus n minus 1, so 12 minus 1 is 11 times by d is equal to 156. Okay, so simplify this one, so we will have 6 2a plus 11d equal to 156. Okay, so next, so this one 6 pindah pergi ke sebelah, so 156 divided by 6, so the answer is 26. So equation number 1. Okay, so from T4, so we have here a plus n minus 1, which is 4 minus 1 is 3 times by d is equal to 8. So this one equation number 2. Okay, so sekarang ni kita tak sama ni. Ni A, sini 2A. Sini 3D, sini 11D. Okay, so saya nak pakai teknik penghapusan juga. Okay, so apa yang saya kena buat, samakan perkali dia. Okay, so persamaan nombor 2, equation number 2 times by 2. Okay, so I will have 2A plus 6D is equal to 2 times 8 is 16. Okay, so next, this one become equation number 3. Okay, so next do equation number 1 minus by equation number 3. Okay, so you have 2a plus 11d equal to 26 minus by 2a plus 6d equal to 16 minus 2a minus 2a 0, positive 11d minus 6d 5d, 26 minus 16 is 10. Okay, so from here you have d equal to 10 divided by 5, which is 2. And then selesaikan a pula. So we have a plus 3d, so 3 times by 2 equal to 8. Okay, so yang ni saya ambil persamaan yang kedua ni lah. Okay, so a is equal to 8 minus by 3 times 2 is 6, so positive 6 brings to the right, minus by 6. Okay, so kita dapat a sama dengan 2. Okay, so next b, b. Okay, so b. Okay, so b, the sum of the first 16 term as 16. Okay, so n divided by 2, 16 divided by 2, 2a 2 times by 2 plus n minus 1, so 16 minus 1, 15 times by d, which is also 2. Okay, so calculate 16 divided by 2 is 8, 2 times 2 4 plus 30. Okay, so the answer is 34 times by 8, so which is equal to 272. Okay, so that's all, so finish. Okay, so see you again and thank you dan assalamualaikum.